Hello friends, today I will show you Chrome extension. Okay, so I have added too many features like zoom element, text highlighter, area highlighter. Okay, this is the file content, manifest, pop-up, HTML, pop-up JS and style. Okay, then how to install this? Remove first. Okay, load extension, then click D drive. It's my D drive highlighter, select folder. So now it's loaded, and click here again and pin this. So how to use this? When you are screen recording, click here and then toggle off all. Now let's start zoom element. So refresh this. So how zoom element works? So I test here in pricing page. You can try anywhere. Okay, I double click here, it will zoom. I double click here, it will zoom. I double click here, it will zoom. See, when you show the tutorial of any pricing comparison, you can double click and release the mouse. So another is text highlighter. Enable text highlight. So I will choose this color. Solid. It's like this. Clear this marker. For the marker, it will show like this. Clear this glow, it will like this. Underline, it will underline the text. And brush, I like brush very much. Brush, you can brush like this. Okay, so this finish. I disable this. And another is area highlighter. Click and drag on empty space to create a highlight box. Spotlight mode blurs everything except the box. So I highlight this one. If I need to choose this one, I can choose here like this. You can increase or decrease any size. Okay, so spotlight mode, you can blur intensity, increase or decrease. Okay, spotlight mode. This is spotlight mode. You can choose color in spotlight mode. Let's say I'll make yellow. See, it's like this. For example, I show here like this. I refresh. You can see like this. So next is wait one, element marker. I enable this, and when I right click here, it will become like this. When I right click here, it will become like this. Okay, it's very good for YouTubers, video creators, anybody who records screen and show demo. And if you need this Chrome extension, you can grab from my video description. I will drop the link there. Thank you very much.